Hey, what's up guys? In this video I want to talk about one of the best features of Galaxy S26 and One UI 8.5, and that is that now you can use QuickShare and Airdrop together. So now you can transfer files from a Galaxy device to an iPad, iPhone or a MacBook. If you have a Galaxy S26, you first need to go in the QuickShare app on your Galaxy S26. From here, tap on the settings. In settings, you will see this new option now, which is share with Apple devices. By default, it's turned on. If it's not turned on for you, go ahead and turn it on. If you go in here, you can read about it. So now you can share with iPhones, iPads, Macs, and other devices that support AirDrop. Make sure the recipient has AirDrop set to everyone. So you need to make sure that the AirDrop is set to everyone on your Apple device. This makes the device visible so you can send files to it. And you can also receive files from an Apple device. So for that, you need to tap QuickShare in the quick panel. This makes your phone visible so Apple devices can send files to it. While share with Apple devices is turned on, your phone may temporarily disconnect from Wi-Fi networks while searching for or sharing with Apple devices. So keep that in mind. Now with everything set up, let's go ahead and transfer some files. Here I've got some wallpapers. Let's select them and tap on share. From here we'll go in quick share, and now on my iPad all I have to do is turn on AirDrop. And the moment I'll turn on AirDrop, it will become visible on my Galaxy S26. As simple as that. Now all I have to do is tap on it and we'll get a prompt on iPad. Tap accept and the files will transfer. You can see the progress right here. There you go, all sent. So now if I go in gallery on my iPad, you'll see that all the images that we've just transferred from Galaxy S26 are right here. So now we are going to transfer these files back to Galaxy S26. So tap on select, let's select some of these files, tap on share, AirDrop, and here we'll go in quick share and go in receive. Galaxy S26 appears in AirDrop, tap on it, and we see the prompt on Galaxy S26. Accept the files and they'll be transferred back to Galaxy S26. There you go. Let's open these files. Everything has been transferred back. So pretty cool. That's how you can use QuickShare and AirDrop between Galaxy S26 and Apple devices. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.